Want to speak like a native English speaker? You're in luck. Today, I'll teach you 10 popular American slang words and show you how to use them with clear examples. Let's get started and make your English sound amazing. First up, we have bet. This word is used to agree with someone or to confirm something. Here are a couple of examples.
Want to go to the movies tonight?
Bet. Let's go.
I'll call you later.
Bet. See you then. Next, let's talk about cringe. This term describes something awkward or embarrassing. For instance,
That joke was so bad it made me cringe. Watching my old videos makes me cringe.
fam is our next word. It is short for family, and it is used to refer to family or close friends. You might say,
I'm hanging out with my fam this weekend. What's up, fam? How's everyone doing?
let's move on to GOAT. It stands for greatest of all time. Here are a few examples.
Michael Jordan is the GOAT of basketball. Shakira is considered to be the GOAT of Latin music.
Our next word is lit. Lit is used to describe something exciting or excellent. For instance,
The party last night was lit. This song is so lit.
next is salty. Being salty means being upset or bitter about something. You might hear,
She's salty about not getting the job. He is salty because he wasn't invited to the party.
then we have slay. When someone slays it, they do something exceptionally well or look fantastic. For example,
My football team slayed it last night. We won by a score of 5-0. She really slayed it in that dress. She looked amazing.
moving on to troll. A troll is a person who posts things online to provoke reactions or disrupt discussions. You might say,
Ignore the troll in the chat. He is just trying to start an argument. The best response to a troll is no response.
next is vibe. This word describes the atmosphere or feeling of a place, person, or situation. For example,
This cafe has a great vibe. I love the chill vibe at the beach.
finally, we have woke. Being woke means being aware of social issues, particularly those related to justice and equality. You might say,
She's very woke about climate change. He's very woke about social justice issues.
well, those are the 10 slang terms commonly used in American English. By learning and using them, you'll sound more natural and like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be impressing everyone with your new vocabulary. Thanks for watching.